Guys, welcome back to the channel. Today you find me in this Land Rover Defender. Now, not any old Defender. I'll show you why. Let's go and have a look. Right, so there you have it. This is a Defender commercial. Now, sent to me by mistake, but I'm going to tell you what it's like. Unfortunately, I don't have a farm, so I can't tell you about the back end, but the space is good anyway. Right, let's talk about the spec of this car very quickly. So this is a Defender 110 hardtop D300. It's the same diesel engine that we had in the Discovery recently. So this is finished in Santorini black, £895 option. The 20-inch alloys are 1,150, and the exterior black pack, which, looking at the configurator, the only thing I can see changes is the bar at the front, which was chrome, now it's black. So this is what I got on the road of 65,780. You got a farm, great, it will probably do what you need to do. That's probably what it's aimed for, people with large bits of land. So let's go and see what it's like to drive. Now, straight away, visibility is not great because I haven't got the extra windows to have a look out of. So, oh God, what am I doing? 360 camera comes in then. Right, perfect, let's go. Right, so recently you would have seen the Discovery, the full big Discovery, and I've got to say that is, straight away, that feels a lot more luxurious than this. However, this is a lot cheaper than that. Now, let's get out of these country roads and see what we can do. So, comfort wise, the seats are very comfortable. It has got fully electric seats and memory function and heated seats. Right, just gotta stop. Right, so back on these country roads after 2 horsepower going past. Right, so comfort wise, it is really comfortable. Considering it's an agricultural farm vehicle, really good in that aspect. Visibility is poor because you haven't got those rare windows in the back to actually guide you and help you. However, the 360 camera is really good. It's not as rattly as you would think. The compartments in the bottom, you know, have got a towing bar that you can connect up, which has been rattling around, but I've secured that. Otherwise, it's like you're in another car. You know, you can't really tell you're in a commercial vehicle. So from that perspective, tell you what, it's a comfy. Go around all the bumps. I needed this when I had the M5 the other week when it was absolutely hammering it down with rain. Easy to drive. It does feel big. You know, I'm not going to lie. It does feel a massive car. Where the Discovery, maybe I shouldn't be comparing it with the Discovery, but this feels huge. There's a lot of walkers today. The sun's shining. A lot of walkers with their dogs, so one seems to be giving me the way. I wonder if it's because I'm in a truck. 65 grand. Yeah, if I had a farm, I'd have one of these. So this was delivered to me from Farnell Land Rover. Again, another opportunity to drive the Land Rover product. it feels agricultural in here. There's a lot of little compartments in here. Cup holders are hidden away under this compartment. You've got a USB slot, you've got a USB-C slot, and you've got a 12-volt socket in the front straight away. Nice touchscreen, again with the PV Pro, works really, really well. Very responsive. Gear lever's fitted in a nice position. Aircon straight and simple. Just easy from a driver perspective. There's no kind of complications of what button is where. It's huge. It feels huge. It feels wide, but works. Yeah, it's a good car. Obviously, not for someone like me, but for those who want a Defender commercial, this will work really well for you. It feels like you can go anywhere and everywhere in all conditions and conquer. Visibility, okay, so I've got this grille behind me. You can see there is a small window that I can see out of. However, are you serious? Is this a road? Okay, we'll go down this road. However, with the spare wheel in the back, it's not the best. The 360 camera does help massively. I'm finding the smallest bloody roads possible today. How is this road a national speed limit road? You gotta be mad. Single carriageway. So I've now finally found a normal road. It just fills it. It's a very smooth car. It's a very comfortable car. If you need it like a commercial, to be fair, even as a company van, if you need this kind of stuff where you're going off-road, this would work. You know, if you're an engineer of water, gas, or some sort of transportation industry, this would genuinely work really, really well. Now, I believe there is a plug-in hybrid on this as well. So from a commercial perspective, if your rear space is not compromised, there is nothing wrong with you then having that as a low CO2 environmentally friendly vehicle. Really good drive, really comfortable, easy to drive. Would be my first choice of car. I'd be interested to see what the actual Defender 110 is like, the normal car, passenger car. But for what it is, I haven't been able to use the rear because obviously it's commercial. I've not needed to do anything. But is it better than an estate? I suppose you can fit more people in an estate. Just want to say thanks to the guys at Farnell Land Rover for lending me this, or surprising me with it, I should say. It's been a pleasure to drive. It's been a pleasure to use. Guys, always thank you very much for watching. Let me know what you think in the comment section below. Make sure you hit that subscribe button, and I'll bring some more videos very, very soon. Bye for now.
Mm-hmm.